This is an extension cable. The multimeter with NCV mode shows that there is electricity running through the wire.
All the way, okay.
But here, on the output, nothing comes out. There is no electricity. Two of the three wires did not make contact, so we decided to cut off this end. But even like this, it still did not make contact. That's why we cut off the other end too. When we cut off both of the ends, which are casted so they are non-repairable, we tested all three of the wires and all of them work perfectly fine, so the 20-meter cable works.
Good? Good? Good. Not good. Casted, molded, non-repairable.
We bought these two half line stretchers. The wires are: the green one, which also can be greenish yellow, is the ground, the blue one is null, and the brown one is the phases. It can also be black or red. First, insert the cable. It holds the cable in place.
Here we insert the ground cable and we tighten the
Screw. Now we put the null and the phase into the sides. Make sure the wires make contact and cannot be pulled out. We put it back together and we put in the screw. We do the same with the female connector. We need to do the same thing here. Make sure it's plugged in good, makes good contact, and cannot be pulled out. Now we put it back into place. And then put the screw back. Before we throw it away, we're gonna test the not working piece. The ground is unresponsive. No response. No response. Also no response. It is completely dead. Now let's test the other one. On this side, one of the cables are dead.
The ground is okay.
Now let's do a test. We're gonna measure all 3 wires. Now let's test no and phases.
Mission complete.